Hello and welcome to DaveTech. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Xumo application on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So first things first, we're going to make sure your Google TV can download and install apps from unknown sources, or download and install unknown apps. To do that, we're going to head over to Settings, System, and then About. We'll locate the build number and click on it 7 times to enable developers options. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when developers options is now enabled, you can download and install applications which are unknown or from unknown sources. After that is done, we'll be downloading and installing the app from the browser. So any browser of choice will work, but in my case, I'm going to use the browser app. So I've clicked on it, and then I'm going to navigate over to the search bar. In the search bar, you can just click to search for APK, Xumo APK. So XUMO APK, and you want this one from Android. Xumo APK from up to down. So click on it, and then find the download button located just here. So go to the latest version, and you see you can watch 250 free TV channels with this app. Navigate down and you find this download button here. I want you to click on it and you find your download. Okay, so just download and hang on until the download is completed. Now when the download is completed, you see the APK file like this. As you can see, the one highlighted white. So click left to go away from the trash button and then click on install. So this is the install button. I just clicked on it. The app installs and ready to go. So in my case, you see I need more storage to be able to install the app. Just go to your files and delete some files if need be to allow more space to install the app. But when you're done, just stage the app and then click on install. The app installs and you can use it. So I'll do that so I could start enjoying Xumo Play. If you found that insightful, that's the method to get the app downloaded and installed. When you do so, subscribe to the channel if you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next video content just like this.